Hey guys, it's Chanel with Nail Gun Nelly, and I'm back with episode 2 of my built-ins. We're gonna pick up where we left off on the last episode, where I try my second attempt at kerfing wood. Okay, this time I am going to do it approximately more. And then somebody reached out and said to, after I do this, to lay a damp, warm towel on it, and it'll moisten up the remaining part of the wood to allow it to curve a little better. So I'm gonna give that a try on this one. So because I was a little aggressive and messed this up, and then it does have like all these little staple holes. I had this scrap piece of trim, and I am just going to secure it like this. And it'll actually be nice because it'll prevent things from rolling off since this does move. So if they have pencils or anything. So I'm just going to attach this here, and then I might add in 2 side pieces just to bulk this up and cover that. So I'm gonna secure these, and then I will show you what I'm gonna do with the drawer front. Like so. Is that enough to clear this? No. Why is it not going down more? I needed to pull it out more. Technically it works, but it's rubbing. So that whole thing needs to come out so that that can drop down. But then the drawer won't sit correctly. Third time's the charm. Okay, super close quarters, but basically I am going to, these are magnets. So that way this will stay because I'm using the butt hinges, which will they'll just fall open. This one here, that way this flat piece can go on this so that when it's open, the drawer can easily get by and not get hung up on it. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna do it right in the middle. It doesn't need to be perfect. This will actually hold it in place for me while I screw up this way. Oh, these might be too big. Maybe not. Okay, So when I take this off, it shouldn't fall. Yay! Oh my God, I am a damn genius. Let's get out of this cabinet and see if it looks this good from that side. Okay. Looks pretty good. Ooh. Oh my God. That is exciting. Let's put the drawer in and see if it works. Oh my God, do you want me to show you how it's gonna be? Okay, I will. Okay, just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna put his computer in what will be its home. And so our dining room is right here. I haven't decided exactly if I'm just gonna have him pull dining room chairs or if I'm gonna, I don't know, we'll get there. But basically, it's gonna look nice like this. Oh, he needs to do homework. He's gonna pull his chair. He's gonna sit down, open this, and pull out his desk. Let me work. Let me work. Do what I want. Okay, this is fun. Oh, I'm closing it now. And all of my crap is hidden. And mom and baby are both happy. Backpacks will go in here. Oh, this is gonna be great. Ugh. So I am going to use Bondo, and this is really good wood filler, and I'm gonna just put it across these seams so that when I sand it, it'll look seamless. And of course, I'm gonna put it where I cracked the wood because it was my first time kerfing. And you can sand it once it's sort of as a rock. So like once this dries, it is not gonna crumble, expand, nothing. Like it's what it is, which is why I prefer it over
normal wood putty, but only if you're planning on painting whatever you're doing, because otherwise you'd obviously see it because it's blue. So getting it on as smooth as possible at the first time is going to make your life much easier when you have to sand it.
Ooh, that's true. Is your favorite? Just buy the ones off of them. So cute.
Thanks. It is so cute.
Yeah, and they're a great gift idea too.
Way good. Feeling thicker. So you're hoping we're good. Well, I rebought it like 3.
I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but they have an immunity custom water. I don't know how they do that with electrolytes and stuff. But the particular one that I get has a boost of vitamin C in it and zinc. $100. Okay.
Be sure to stay tuned for the next episode where we finish off this countertop and get it stained and installed on the built-ins. After that, it's time to figure out what our plan is between these two 4x4 posts, along with what the plan is for this back intersection. Be sure to keep following, press that subscribe button, and we will see you next time for the remainder of this built-in project.